Now, this is the story of a man who spent 11 years in jail for a crime he never committed. Mohammad Salim Sheikh is one of the 6 men who have been acquitted by the Supreme Court in the Akshardham temple attack case. Apart from the delay in justice, Salim experienced the trauma of being branded a terrorist before the top court declared him and the others innocent.
मेरे को उन्होंने ऑफर की थी कि भाई तेरे को अक्षरधाम कांड में जाना है, गोधरा कांड में जाना है, हरेन पंड्या कांड में जाना है। तो मैंने कहा भाई इससे मेरा कोई रिलेटेड ही नहीं है, मैं ऑलरेडी 13 साल से बाहर हूँ। ये चीज कब बनी, क्यों बनी, कैसे बनी, किसने बना, मेरा उससे क्या लेना देना।
A traumatic past, condemned to a life in prison. After dark days spent in jail, Mohammad Salim wonders if 11 years of his life will ever be returned to him. Salim, who worked as a tailor in Saudi Arabia, was amongst the 6 arrested in 2003 for their alleged involvement in the attack on Akshardham temple in 2002. Last week, the Apex Court acquitted all, slamming Gujarat police for shoddy investigations. This after a Pota court had convicted them in 2006 and Gujarat High Court had upheld that ruling. For 45-year-old Salim, who was awarded life imprisonment, it's the trauma of being labelled a terrorist that makes him nervous. The family has already paid a price. His mother has been unwell ever since his arrest. His 15-year-old son had to drop out from an English medium school.
तो वही सोच के बच्चों को इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ाया था। तो 6ठी क्लास तक आए, उसके बाद हम उसको मेंटेन नहीं कर पाए। तो फिर मजबूरन हमको उनको म्युनिसिपल स्कूल में डालना पड़ा। ये तो मैं समझता हूँ मरते दम तक मेरे को रहेगा कि भाई मेरी वजह से मेरे बच्चे जो इनोसेंट थे, मेरे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ, लेकिन वो बच्चों का क्या कसूर, तो वो भी तो साथ में परेशान हुए ना। अब उनका फ्यूचर का क्या।
Salim's brother Irfan was on the verge of finishing his graduation when Salim was arrested. But with the family's only earning member in prison, he had to leave his studies and instead take care of his family. Today, he drives an auto rickshaw to cater to his family's financial needs.
पूरी ज़िंदगी मतलब मेरी, मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको, बिल्कुल एकदम से उलट पुलट हो गया सब मामला। और पूरी जिम्मेदारी निभाते निभाते आज तक 11 साल हुए। 11 साल में जो सोचा था वो कुछ नहीं हुआ। मतलब समझो कि ना ग्रेजुएट हो सका मैं, ना बिजनेस में कुछ कर सका, क्योंकि कोर्ट कचहरियाँ, जेल, इन सब में से फुर्सत ही नहीं मिल पाई कभी जिंदगी भर।
The acquittals have had human rights activists up in arms. Protesters tried to march towards the Gujarat Bhavan on Saturday, but were stopped.
11 years of life, their life just wasted. So who will compensate for this? They have faced victimization at the hands of the state. They should be compensated for this, and the officers who were responsible for this, who have framed them very clearly, they should be prosecuted, and Narendra Modi should be held to account.
The legal counsels for these victims are now contemplating moving court for action against cops involved, which include the then crime branch head DG Vanzara. Several loopholes in investigations have even been pointed out by the Apex Court. The court has ruled that the entire investigations were based on so-called confessions, which were retracted by the accused. Questions raised over how Salim could have sponsored the terror act with a mere 13,000 rupees, which were transferred from his account in Saudi Arabia. Also serious doubts over the letter recovered from the bodies of the slain terrorists, since despite the terrorists being gunned down by multiple bullets, the letter did not bear any bullet mark or blood stains. When asked for a response, the Gujarat government spokesman declined, saying it's a legal issue and government councils will look into it. But for the families, the bigger worry, how to get their lives back on track. With Ketki Angre in Delhi and camera person Natwar Parmar in Ahmedabad, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.